welcome back to Tokos Reviews, and today we're going to be building a computer. As you can see here, the custom case that I chose was the Fractal Define 7XL computer case. Now this is a huge case. Once unboxed, you will see for yourself. This is primarily built for liquid cooling. The motherboard I choose to use is the Asus ROG Strict Z490 F Gaming motherboard. Okay. The graphic card I chose to use is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 FE edition. This is a beast of a motherboard. It would be perfect for this huge case. So it'll be a perfect match. So I'm going to be using 6 fans, and these are the LL120 from Corsair. These are full RGB fans. So I'm going to be using 6 of those. I also got Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. So these are 32 gigabyte each. And I just ruined it. Yeah. Okay. Well, don't ever do that, guys. So these are 32 gigabyte each, and these are 3200 megahertz. So I got 2 of them. So that's going to be a total of 64 on both sides, as you can see here. And the processor I chose, beside AMD, I chose to go for the Z490. So I chose the 10th gen Intel Core 10900K. I've heard down the grapevine that the 11900K is almost out. There was some leak information online, but that's another topic, right? And the power supply I chose was the Corsair RM850X, so it can give it that steady power. I know a lot of people saying, okay, why didn't you go with like 1000 or 1200 watt or 1500 watt to handle the 3090? You know, after poking around a little bit, I learned that the RM850X has good enough sufficient power to push the entire rig. The only thing that you don't see here is the hard drive. I'm running the Samsung NVMe. It's going to be a 500 gigabyte SSD, M.2, and then I'm going to run 2 hard drives from Western Digital. Those are going to be 2 terabyte each, which is a total going to be 4 terabyte. But I'm going to see if I can put those in RAID mode. If I can, that'll be pretty cool. Other than that, and the liquid cool I chose to use was the Thermaltake. The Thermaltake D5 pump, the reservoir and the pump. But let me run and grab the actual the radiator. I'm almost there, guys. Just give me a second. I'm just grabbing it right now. Whew. Boy, that was a workout. Okay, so here's the radiator that I'm going to choose to use. As you guys can see there, look how big this thing is. I mean, this thing is huge, right? But look at that, man. All right, this is like, you know, you put the graphic card to get, like, the box is like almost the same size. So this actual radiator is going to be right here. I'm going to put this up top. Oh yeah, like this. So it's going to be like this, guys. So it's going to be up top. It's going to be like this. This is a gigantic radiator. I might overclock the CPU, but then again, I just might use the XMP profile. I'm not an overclocker, but I do want to try it out because I'm always curious, right? So this is going to be the build, and those are the components I choose. So stay updated for the next video. That will be the actual build with the Thermaltake D5 reservoir and water pump. Man, I can't wait to build this. And it's going to be soft tube. Tell me what you guys think. Should I go hard tube or should I go soft tube? Because if I go hard tube, then I have to wait for like a week or so, because I got to order it from Amazon or eBay, a kit, so I can do that. But go ahead, guys, drop your comments down below. You know, and also if you have any question or any other component you think that I should use on this build beside the ones I just mentioned, drop it down below, and I'll get back to you guys. All right. Anyways, like always, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys are new to my channel, Tokos Reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. I really appreciate it. And like always, guys, off this from Tokos Reviews. Peace.